With cold weather just around the corner, I decided to get a pair of rechargeable hand warmers. They heat up quickly, have multiple temperature settings, and are even magnetic. And these hand warmers come shipped to your door, ready to warm up your hands as well. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a double USB-C charging cable, and then your hand warmers. By pushing and holding the power buttons, they power on and begin heating up quickly. Then you can push the button again to cycle through the 3 different heat settings. It says it goes from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees. So I used a temperature gun, and it seemed pretty accurate. For me, the first setting is plenty warm, and I've been using it a lot. I bring it with me during hikes and working around the farm. It keeps my hands warm while I'm out and about. The hand warmers are also magnetic, so you can easily connect them together and have them ready when you need them. I use it at the desk on those cold mornings. It helps keep my hands warm and my productivity up. I even use it to heat up my slippers and keep my feet warm. Because the best part about these are that they heat up on both sides. It doesn't matter what side you're holding on to. It's warm all around. I also found myself using these to give myself deep tissue massages. It really helps relax the muscles in my arms and wrists. My feet and hands always seem to be so cold in the winter, so these hand warmers are truly a game changer. So you better believe I keep these charged up and ready to go for whenever I need them. So if you're looking to warm up this winter as well, these magnetic hand warmers might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike and enjoy the warmth that these provide. See ya.